Oh yeah, welcome to the channel. Kid Showtime here, the hype beast bartender, and it's bro B. Boozing time, baby. Aw yeah. So we're gonna make the chocolate white Russian, y'all.
I am not Mr. Lebowski. You're Mr. Lebowski. I'm the dude. So that's what you call me.
So first, you're gonna need your cup of ice. Alright, then we're gonna add that BuzzBallz chalk tease. Alright, then we're gonna hit it with that Kahlua from the top rope. Alright, then we're gonna add 2 Smirnoff Vodkas.
Hey, come on, man. All right, yeah.
Let's do the first one. Then let's hit it with the second one. And the top rope again. So now we're gonna fill it up with the chocolate milk. Give it a shake.
Oh, ooh, this mother.
Oh yeah, y'all, this is delicious, y'all. If you want something chocolate that will get you lit, this is it, y'all. Tastes like chocolate milk. Tastes like a chocolate white Russian, y'all. So try this out. Let me know what y'all think. To the next one. Aw, yeah.